Hi and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat One channel. We finally got Nikki and Isabel's New Year celebration sets. They include 2 outfits, one for each Nikki and Isabel, and an accessory set. Let's unbox them and let's talk about them. And by the way, if you're new to this channel and interested in all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to our channel, I definitely recommend doing so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. I'm gonna start with Nikki's red vinyl jumper outfit. This exact outfit used to be a meet outfit for a girl of today, which is the line that's now called Truly Me. This outfit was also available for purchase separately, and the new Nikki's red jumper outfit is a very close reproduction of the original red jumper outfit. American Girl also sold a girl-sized version of it, and that's how it can become a part of Nikki's collection. Technically, Nikki as a character is wearing a girl-sized version of the red jumper outfit, so it kind of fits. The red jumper is known for a peeling issue. The red vinyl that they used started to deteriorate with time, and there are very few of these original red jumpers that are in decent condition right now. Most of them started peeling off, and that's a problem. I wonder if American Girl managed to find some sort of vinyl that would not peel off with time. As of now, the jumper looks amazing. It's plasticky, shiny, it's very 1999. It has these 2 zippers. I really love it. It's a little bit wrinkly in the middle, but what can you do? I still think it's a fabulous jumper. I am really happy that I was able to get it because the original ones are all peeled off. As you could see, the pockets work. You could actually put something in there. So it is a pretty detailed jumper. I'm really impressed. The set retails at $42 if I haven't mentioned it yet. And I think it's worth the price. I mean, I am really happy. I'm just so happy that I got my hands on this red vinyl jumper that I wanted to get for so long, in excellent condition. Okay, here you can see that the pockets are real. You could actually put things in there if you wanted to. As for the peeling issue, I'm not an expert on fabrics, so I can't tell you if this particular fabric will peel off with time or not, but most likely it will. Anyway, next item, we got this long sleeved shirt. It's black. Has those like little dusty things on it. It's really nice. The quality of the fabric is really nice. It's a turtleneck, which were really popular in that time. If you watch Friends, you'll notice Rachel wearing a lot of turtlenecks. The quality of the fabric is really good. It's just nice. It feels like 100% cotton. The color is nice. Everything's great. The tights, I actually have the old tights from this outfit. They look identical. Really cute. I love the pattern. They are stretchy enough. They just feel like the old tights that from the original outfit. The boots. Now I am really impressed with the boots. They feel like such good quality boots. Everything's so well made. The stitching, the lacing, the lace holes, everything is great. These boots, I mean, they're great even for historical characters. They just have this classic look. You know, honestly, boots didn't really change that much for the last 100 years. And we got 2 scrunchies that are so cute. They are small, they're perfectly doll sized. They made out of this plaid fabric and they're stretchy. So yeah, this is everything. I think I showed you everything. Oh, there's a booklet. And by the way, this booklet is present in all 3 sets that I'm going to show you, but I'm going to show you the booklet itself only now. Basically, it lists Nikki and Isabel's personal Millennium Countdown challenges, which is cute. But I also thought it was interesting that it mentions that Nikki and Isabel plan a huge party at their dad's coffee shop. I guess I missed it in their journals and I haven't read the book yet. Anyway, it turns out their dad has a coffee shop. It does make a lot of sense because Seattle is known for great coffee. But now I wonder if at some point we will get that coffee shop, the huge coffee shop set as a part of their collection. And I honestly believe it's really likely, and that would be a fantastic seller. And here we get to see the original versions of the two outfits that were available in 1999. This is the entire set, and so far I like everything. I like that American Girl is bringing back some of the old classic outfits. Look how amazing it looks on Nikki. She has such big hair. So my verdict on this outfit is that it was definitely worth the price for me. I really like it. It fits in with Nikki and Isabel's collection so well. I think this was definitely a good idea to bring this particular outfit back because the old ones are usually in such a horrible condition on the secondary market, and it's pretty impossible to find one in good condition. So now I'm really happy that I was able to purchase this at retail. The next outfit is Isabel's year 2000 outfit, and it's based on the original year 2000 outfit that looked like this. There was, of course, a matching girl's outfit, and you'd have to really enlarge the image here. This is what it looked like, and you had to purchase the separate pieces. Like the top and the cardigan were sold together, the skirt was sold separately, and the tights were sold separately. Overall, it's a very early 2000 look. So Isabel as a character is wearing a girl's version of this outfit. And this outfit also retails at $40, just like Nikki's outfit. I want to point out that it says Isabel on the logo and Nikki's said Nikki on the logo, which I thought was really cute. Okay, so let's take a look at the cardigan, and I can assure you this kind of style was very popular around the year 2000. It has a lot of sparkly things in it, like a lot of sparkle. The thread is sparkly. This is what it looks like on the inside. Everything's very clean, very well made, and this is what American Girl's famous for. The colors are very shiny. It's blue and lilac, dark lilac, purple, whatever you call it. And the top is made out of the matching fabric. It's the exact same fabric that's used for the top itself and the straps, just a different style. This skirt is very nice. It actually reminds me, the material reminds me of Dupioni silk, but I don't think it actually is. I don't know. It has a really nice feel to it. It is cute. It was definitely in style around that time. I remember girls in my school wear something very similar. So yeah. The shoes, these are sandals. They're very cute. They have a small tiny little heel, as you can see. The fabric that's used for them, I think it's the same fabric as they use for the skirt. However, I gotta warn you, those shoes don't like to stay on doll's feet. They kept falling off Isabel's feet and it was a little bit annoying. So here are the tights. They are very sparkly, very not soft. And of course, this outfit comes with butterfly hair clips. Let me know in the comments if you remember those and if you had them growing up. Now, I probably did, but I don't remember it so well. I remember the flower ones very well. I definitely had those. I think I had butterfly ones too. Everybody did. So that is it. We also got the booklet, but it's the exact same one as I already showed you. Okay, so this is the entire set. Everything's nice. kind of way too sparkly for my personal taste, but that was the style back then for that age group. So it is cute. It is definitely historically appropriate, historically accurate. The shoes fall off the doll's feet, but that's another issue. I think this outfit suits Isabel so well. She definitely looks great in purple. And if it's too hot, she can take off that cardigan. So my verdict on this outfit, it looks and feels pretty similar to the original one. So if you were looking to get the original outfit, this is, I think, a nice option. You get it new in box for $42. And I know some people don't like to buy pre-loved items. The next set is absolutely new. It's called Nikki and Isabel's New Year's Party Accessories, and it retails at $32. This set is not a repro. It has never been made before. American Girl just designed it specially for Nikki and Isabel. So I think that's a really interesting set. Let's take a look at the hats. The hats are 100% plastic. If you ever purchase those mini hats from Dollar Tree, like sometimes they make them for St. Patrick's Day, these are kind of like that, but the quality of the plastic is much better. And if you look closely, you'll see a lot of sparkles. They kind of inside the plastic. So cool. All right, so this is the golden version. This one usually goes on Nikki, according to American Girl promo pictures, but I don't think it really matters. It says Happy New Year on it, and this is a pretty much identical hat, but in silver. Also says Happy New Year on it, and there are silver sparkles kind of embedded inside. It's the kind of plastic that they used. We also got 2 pairs of glasses that spell 2000. I remember these glasses so well. I definitely remember them. So it is a cute item. I think definitely a cute item. Look at it. They are pretty solid. The material they used is the same, I think, as they used for the hats. I think it might be stiffer or harder because the hats, their plastic is kind of bendable, and the plastic on the sunglasses is definitely not bendable. It's pretty hard. All right, so here the silver ones, also very cute. You see there are sparkles in there. One for Nikki, one for Isabel. What else do we get in this set? Oh, we got this instant camera, the Polaroid camera. Okay, I remember those too. Actually, as I look closer to it, it doesn't look like a Polaroid camera. It looks like one of those cameras that you had to bring to a pharmacy to develop and then come back later to pick up the prints. I think that's what it is. It just feels so weird that this is now a historical object. When I remember it, I remember going to pharmacies to develop the film. So weird. I know this entire collection makes a lot of people feel this way because it wasn't that long ago, you know? And now it's historical. So this camera also comes with 2 pictures, and I was thinking maybe there are slots where they go to and they don't, which leads me to believe that this is not an instant camera. It's a camera that needed to have the film developed. And we got 3 pictures. One, Nikki like this in her skateboarding outfit, Isabel in her tennis outfit, and then we got this picture of both of them together in their meet outfits. Really cute. What else do we get? Oh, we got cupcakes, right? Yay! Okay, so this is the first cupcake. It's a purple one. And did we kind of decide that purple is Isabel's color? Well, Nikki likes it too. It has a clock and the hand is pointing at 12, so it's a New Year's party themed cupcake, which I think is really, really cute. It's probably an Oreo. It's probably meant to be an Oreo, the clock part. And we also got a pink cupcake. Here it is. They look exactly the same. One is pink, one is purple with frosting on top and some sprinkles. Oh, we got one more thing. I didn't notice. What is that? Oh, those are bracelets. Okay, so they are kind of cheap plastic. Ah, so those are glow in the dark bracelets. Okay, makes a lot of sense for a party. Actually, I looked it up on American Girl website and it doesn't mention that the bracelets are glow in the dark bracelets. And I don't think these two actually glow in the dark, but they look like the ones that do. This is the entire set. I think it's a cute idea. I think it is fun. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about it, what you think about American Girl re-releasing the old outfits. We had these two re-released, then we had the ballet outfit and the winter magic outfit. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. And I absolutely would love to hear your thoughts on these particular outfits. My biggest issue with these outfits is that Isabel's shoes are falling off, and that's not fun. And the second issue is the red jumper is probably gonna peel, but who knows, maybe it won't. Other than that, I absolutely love these outfits and the accessory set. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to our channel, I definitely recommend doing so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.